once again to Rebikit Foods, your channel, a channel of amazing videos. So guys, if at all you are new in this channel, please feel welcome, feel at home, just watch my videos, give them a like if you love them, share and subscribe. Remember also we have some notification bell just down there, and remember to put it on so that whenever I post in a new video, you will always be notified of the video. Otherwise, for the returning subscribers, so guys, in our today's video, we're not going to do recipe. I know you are used to recipes and in the kitchen, but in this channel we learn a lot. So I'm bringing you a video on home remedy. And the home remedy we are going to do is on avocado. We are going to extract some oil from avocado. Guys, as you know, avocado is organic and it has various health benefits to us. So apart from eating the avocado itself, our video today I'm going to share with you on how you can extract oil from avocado. You can either do it by using heat or you can do it by using sun. And the best method to extract plenty of avocado oil is right from the one from the sun. But still, we can also do it everywhere, wherever you go, even you can still do it. So guys, let's just check on and extract oil from avocado and also how it's beneficial to us. So let's go. So guys, these are the avocados that I have with me. And make sure guys, when you want to extract oil from avocado, make sure you look for the ripe ones. Get the most ripe ones. If you happen to have bad avocados, kindly don't throw them away. Here is the best way to make the most use of it. We can extract oil from them for better use. So first, they should be overripe. When you want to extract oil from avocado, make sure that they are overripe. So we are going to scoop the avocado out from the pulp this way and then put them in a separate bowl. So first you cut the avocado into halves, but you just twist. Then here, use this spoon to scoop this avocado inside the pulp. So you don't need the pulp, you just need the avocado itself. Make sure you pick up everything. The reason why we use overripe avocados is because we want to obtain a lot of oil. So this is what you do, just scoop. I'll continue with the next one. This is the avocado that I've just extracted from the pulp. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to smash it. So make sure you smash the avocado well until it's soft. You use a smasher or you can just use a fork spoon, whichever way you find it easy. If at all you were going to use the sun to extract that oil, this is the way you put it, and you put it in a flat tray and then you air it out on the sun, and then the sun will heat it until it gets brown, and then you keep on turning the other side inside out so that every part of it turns brown. But because we're not going to use the sun, we're going to use the heat. So come with me and see what I'm going to do. Guys, we are going to heat it on this pan at a medium heat. So first of all, I've let my pan to heat first. It needs to be hot. So to spread my avocado on it. I'll spread the avocado well everywhere. So guys, the heat has to be medium heat. So look at this, guys. Though it is very hot, but I'm going to squeeze twist. So guys, I've decided to have some gloves because it's just too hot. So guys, you can see this. Mhm. So guys, this oil is very very important in three ways. We can use it for our body, we can use it for our hair, and we can also use it, can also be used as a vegetable cooking oil. We can cook with it. So I'll just elaborate and tell you how we used them. So guys, just look at the nuts that we have extracted from this avocado. I think this will be enough. It depends on the number of avocados that you have. So stay tuned. So guys, that's my avocado oil. So guys, just to start with the skin, this oil is very very important because it acts as a moisturizer. It's very good for dry skin, especially if you're one person who has dry skin. And then you can use it to moisturize your hands, especially in the morning or at night before you go to bed. It will make your hands, because you know most of the cases, because of you touch a lot of water and everything, your hands tends to be hard or something or dry. So this is the best one. It's a moisturizer. Apart from that, you can use it instead of overloading your body with a lot of chemicals, lotions with lots of chemicals. This is organic, guys. You can use it for your skin care because guys, this oil is very important because it improves your skin vitality. It boosts your facial skin care routine since it's very rich in vitamin K and vitamin E. So instead of overloading yourself or your body with the different oils, water, use this organic oil. It's very nice. And also for those who have got dry skin, if you have dry skin, this is the best oil for you because it moisturizes your body, because it helps you moisturize your hands, especially in the morning hours or before you go to bed. As you know, you touch a lot of water and everything, you find most of the people they have dry hands. This avocado oil is the best for that. It's also good because it improves or controls anti-aging. Wrinkles. Those who, if you don't want to get old, this is the best, especially for your face. And then also for this oil, it's mixed with almond oil, is the best for removing makeup. And for those who are using collagen pills, the supplement of collagen pills, this oil here has the ability to increase collagen. So when you're using this, there's no need of using supplements for the collagen. There's no need of taking collagen pills because it has the ability of increasing the collagen. Avocado oil has inflammatory properties, so that's why it helps in inflammatory diseases. If those For those who mostly suffer from inflammatory diseases, this is the best. It has the properties of inflammatory. So guys, it's a very important oil. One thing with this oil is that it is very heavy in texture. You can see compared to other liquid oil and all that. One thing, another thing on air, what you can do with it on air, if you add egg yolk into this, you mix it with egg yolk, you can use it for air treatment. Especially if you're using chemicals, you can use it, can be a good treatment for your hair. So guys, this oil is very, very nice. Instead of buying, just get your avocados, extract the oil, it's just as simple as that, and then use it and thank me later. Avocado oil promotes hair growth. Those who are using avocado oil for their hair, They have, if you are one person who is longing for long hair, this is the best oil to use. And then also for your scalp, it's very, very good. Now, guys, these are the advantages of this oil. And then apart from that, you can also use it for cooking, for making meals. It's even cheaper. So guys, kindly try out this remedy. It's very nice and essential. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet on another one. Bye bye. Welcome.